Vidhansavala guys. It's pretty amazing. So thank you guys for the lovely response on my YouTube videos. So today I'm doing something different. So I got a cycle. It's Hercules Roadeo as you can see. So I would be cycling from, if you're aware of Bangalore, from Rajajinagar to Whitefield. So that's about like 26 kilometers. So let's see how it goes. So this is the cycle. Let's go. Early morning cycle rides are the best. It's so peaceful to pedal in the morning. So yeah guys, it's been I think close to an hour or something. I reached Vidhansavala. It is extremely difficult to cycle. So there's a lot of steep flyovers and trust me, like my energy is completely like drained out. But yeah, let's see, a long way to go home. So this is Vidhansavala guys. It's pretty amazing. Finally reached Whitefield after close to 3 hours. It was a pretty long journey. But yeah, it was fun, something different. This was my longest cycle ride which I've ever done. So yeah, it was fun. Yeah, so cycling from Rajajinagar to Whitefield, which is about 26 kilometers, it was definitely fun. And as I told, this was my longest cycle ride ever, and it was beautiful. The weather in the morning was quite amazing. But yeah, anyways, see you guys. See you probably next weekend on some other adventure. If you like my content, do like, share, and subscribe. Peace.